Sroto Balabhramsha Gauravani Lamurata Alasya Bhakti Nishtiva Malasangar Chuklama. It is the description available in the context of Ahama, that is Samanya Ama Lakshana. From the past two videos, we have discussed Sroto, Rodha, and Balabhramsha. Today, we are going to discuss the Gaurava. Actually, literally, Gaurava refers to the heaviness, or otherwise, the increase of Guru Guna in the body. When you say Guru Guna, so the person who is going to take the food substances, they will be in the macromolecular form, or otherwise they will be having heavier molecular weight. When these heavier molecular weight substances come in contact with the digestive juices, they are going to become the intermediate molecules or macromolecules. When this particular conversion of macro to micro is not happening, that is actually leading to the increase of macromolecules in the body, which is being termed as what you say that literally being termed as heaviness that can be observed. This may be present in the alimentary canal, either that may be present in the stomach or small intestine or large intestine because of the poor digestion. That may be heaviness can be observed in the intravascular compartment when these macromolecules get moved from the alimentary canal into the intravascular compartment. So that will be further entering into the heart via lymphatic system. From there, it will be entering into the capillaries. From the capillaries, these macromolecules they start to enter into the interstitial compartment due to the presence of what you say that there may be a possibility of inflammatory markers that may be present in the interstitial compartment. From there, it will be entering into the interstitial compartment. From there, these macromolecules they enter into the intracellular compartment. Thus, heaviness can be observed either in the alimentary canal or intravascular compartment or interstitial compartment or intracellular compartment. The causes could be endogenous. So there is some kind of the changes are happening in the bodily changes, pathological changes, etc. Inflammatory markers will be produced by the cells that will be responsible for the heaviness to be observed on the part where there is inflammation is present, or exogenous, that is through the different natural orifices from the environment. The pathogens they will be entering into the body, which will be resulting in the impaired Starling forces. So that means that will be responsible for the increased oncotic pressure in the interstitial compartment. Thereby, there will be the heaviness of the interstitial tissue or intracellular compartment may happen. So like that, heaviness can be observed in the alimentary canal due to the poor conversion of macromolecules into the micromolecules, or otherwise the heaviness can be observed in the intravascular compartment due to the transfer of macromolecules into the intravascular compartment due to the damage happening in the alimentary canal mucosa, maybe in the stomach or small intestine, large intestine, or otherwise the heaviness will be observed in the interstitial compartment or intracellular compartment due to the presence of inflammatory markers. So this is how we can able to learn Gaurava.